it is a test day. We have to solve the test. So this is the test. In this test, you have two parts. This is the number one part, and after that we have another part, second part. Now what you have to do, you have to select the any one option from these three options. I will show you those three options, and then you have to select any one option according to the nature of that particular sentence. Now we should start. You should keep paper, other register and pen with you people, so that you can easily write down each and everything in your paper. And in the last, I will show the answer key of this test as well, so that you can see how much or how many questions you have solved in a correct way. Now, number one question or the sentence is, I dash a letter now. Now, there are three options. I write, I'm writing, I'm writing. Now, these are the three options. You have to select any one option from these given three options. Now, I'm again showing you these options so that you can easily see these options and you can easily note down any one correct option in your register. Now we have another question. Hopefully you have written the answer of the first question. In the second question, and the second blank is, Susan dash in the garden at the moment. We have three options again. Is digging, digs, is digging. These are the three options. You have to select any one correct option from these three given options. Whatever the option you think that is the correct, you have to write down in this blank here. Again, you have the time, you can take the time, you can read out this sentence in a proper way, and you can write down the correct answer in your registers. Now we have third blank, that is, Jane dash to bed at 10 o'clock on Wednesdays. Jane goes, is going, go. These are the three options that you have to select any one correct option from these three given options, and you have to write down the correct option in your register. Now we have fourth question, that is, I am in London this summer. I dash English. I learn English. I'm learning English. I learning English. These are the three options again. For the fourth question, you have to select any one option from these three options. Now we have the fifth question, that is, my brother and sister dash basketball every Friday. Practices, is practicing, or practice. My brother and sister dash basketball every Friday. You are given these three options. You have to choose any one correct option from these three given options. Now we have another question, that is another sentence, that is, the buses sometimes dash late. The buses sometimes is arriving, arrive, arrives. These are the three options. You can choose any one option from these three given options. Now we have another blank, that is, James is a student, but he dash this week, but he work is working. Now we have another blank or another sentence, that is lions dash in Africa are living, live is living. Now we have another sentence, that is hurry up, our train dash at platform 3. Hurry up, our train is waiting waits at platform 3. We have another blank, that is wait a minute, please Mr. Jones dash on the phone. Mr. Jones talking is talking. These are the options. Again, three options. You have to select any one correct option from these three given options. Hopefully you have written. Now we have another sentence, that is be quiet, my parents dash TV. My parents are watching TV, watch TV, watches TV. Read out these options and then select the any one correct option. Now we should move forward. Another sentence is stop it. What do you think? You dash, you do, you doing, you are doing. Now we have the second last sentence of this part one of this test. Can you tell me where Pet and Cindy dash this bread? Is bang, are bang, why? I'm giving you the time so that you can easily look at these options and write down these options in your register. Now we have the last one sentence, that is Jake is 6 years old, but he dashed Spanish and French, but he speak, is speaking Spanish and French. The last sentence of part one of this test. Now we have the another part, second part of this test. In this part, you are given, look, you are given the words in the bracket. You have to write down these words in the blanks according to the nature of the sentence, according to the nature of the tense. You will write down. I'm not going to show you the options. Options are not given in this part. You have to write down these options correctly according to the nature of the tense. Either that tense would be the simple present tense or the present continuous tense. Now the sentence is, I can't hear you. I dash a shower. Now you have to use the word have here. You have to write down the word have here by using the either present simple tense or present continuous tense. Now we have the another sentence that is, same dash is homework at night. The word that we are supposed to use here in this blank is the do. Same dash, you have to use the word do here according to the nature of the sentence. Either that word will be in the category of the present simple or in the category of the present continuous tense. So you have to use this word here. Same dash his work homework at night. Do, you are given the word do. That is a verb. Verb is given here. You have to keep the verb according to the nature of the sentence. Now we have the third blank, that is, look at the boy. He dash us. The verb is given, that is watch. So you have to use the word watch here. Write down the word watch here according to the nature of the present simple or the present continuous tense. What do you think? Which type of the tense would be most appropriate here? Fourth one, blank is, our team is in Madrid this week. The dash part in a contest. The verb is given take. You have to use the word take here. Fifth one, blank. I dash up very early on weekends. I get is the word that is given here. Is the verb that is given here. You have to use this word in an appropriate way and write down this word at the place of the blank. Sixth one, blank. My dad is in the garage. He dash his car. He, the word that is given here, clean. Verb is given here, clean. You have to use the word clean here in order to fill this blank. Seventh blank, that is Dan dash a lot of friends. Dan, the word that is given here is have. You have to use the word have here in the blank. At one blank, I can see that you dash a lot of fun. The word is given here in the blank, that is have. You have to use this word according to the nature of the sentence, and either you can use this word according to the criteria of the present simple or according to the criteria of the present continuous tense. You have to write down this word have here by using the appropriate tense, either present simple or present continuous tense. Ninth one, blank. My little sister dashed the dishes on Saturdays and Sundays. The word is dry. You have to use the word dry here in the blank. 10th one, blank. We dash a week in Italy each year. The verb is spent. Now we have lost two sentences here. 11th blank, that is, Sarah is so lazy. She never dashed to help her mom. She never, the word that is given here in the bracket, that is try. She never tried to help her mom. You have to use the word try in an appropriate way here. Correctly. You have to use the word try correctly here. Last one tense or sentence, sorry. That is, you dash again. The word is given here cry. What is the problem? You have to use the word cry here in an appropriate way. Write down the word cry here according to the nature of the sentence. So we have finished the second part of this test as well. I'm giving you 2 minutes so that you can easily write down all of these blanks in an appropriate way. Then I will show you the key of this exercise so that you can easily check your answers, that how much your answers or how many your answers are correct and how many your answers are incorrect. Now I should show you the answers. See, the answers, correct answers are written here. Below each of the sentence, the right option is written here. In the number 1 sentence, the correct option is I'm writing a letter now. In the second sentence, the correct option is digging. In the third sentence, the correct option is goes. Fourth sentence, the correct option is I'm learning. Fifth sentence, the correct option is practice. Sixth sentence, the correct option is arrive. Seventh sentence, the correct option is walking. In eighth sentence, the correct option is live. In ninth sentence, the correct option is watching. In 10th sentence, the correct option is talking. In 11th sentence, the correct option is are watching. 12th sentence, the correct option is are doing. 13th sentence, the correct option is by. 14th sentence, the correct option is speaks. So these are the options that are right in this part, first part of this exercise. And you have to now check your answers, that how many your answers are correct. Now we have the second part. In the second part, the number 1 sentence, the correct are the way you have to write down the given words are the given verbs in an appropriate way, which are in which manner are in which way your options are right. The options are given here in the number 1 sentence. In the second part of this exercise, the correct option are the correct sentence will be like as I am having a shower. In the second sentence, Sam does his homework at night. The word that we are given here is do, but we have to use this word according to the nature of the sentence, and we know that Sam is the singular person here, so we have to use does here. In the second sentence, that is, look at the boy, he dash as he is watching us. Look at the boy, it means the any one activity that is continue, that takes place at the time of the talking, or the people are in the middle of that action. That's why it is present continuous tense. In the second sentence, that is, our team is in the Madrid this week. The dash part in a contest. The word is given here, that is take. They are taking part in the context. The planning, here we are talking about the planning, that something is some activity, some action is planned already. That's why we are using the present continuous tense here. Then we have another sentence, that is, I get up very early on weekends. So this is the habit of the someone that he or she gets up earlier on weekends. So for the purpose of the daily routine or the habits, we use mostly present simple tense. And then we have the another sentence, that is, my dad is in the garage, he dashed his car. He is cleaning, means the dad is now still in the activity of cleaning. That's why we have to use a present continuous tense here. Then we have the Dan dash a lot of friends. Dan is the singular. For the singular person, we use the has. So the correct option or the correct way to write down the word have is a has here. Then we have the another sentence, that is, I can see that you are dash, that you dash a lot of fun. The verb is given here have, but we have to use these verbs these words in an appropriate way according to the nature of the present simple and according to the nature of the present continuous tense. So in this sentence, the nature of the sentence is according to the present continuous tense. Then we have another sentence, that is, my little sister dash the dishes on Saturdays and Sundays. So on every Saturday and on all of the Saturdays and Sundays, it is a habit of the little sister that she dries the dishes. So for the habit, for the repeated actions, for the daily routine work, we use mostly present simple tense. That's why we have to use the word dry as a dries, because the little sister is a single person. So we have to use this word in an appropriate way. Then we have another sentence, that is, we dash a week in Italy each year. Again, each year represents the routine or the habit of the people. So we can use spend in the first form, and it shows a present simple tense. Then we have the second last sentence of this exercise, that is, Sarah is so lazy she never dashed to help her mom. So it is also the habit of Sarah that she never helps her mother. That's why we have to use the words according to the nature of the present simple tense here. Last one sentence, that is, you dash again. The word is given here, cry. And what is the problem? Someone is asking to another person that you are again crying. It means someone is still in the middle of that activity. So we have to use the present continuous tense in order to represent any activity that is continue at the time of the talking. So we can use present continuous tense here. So hopefully you have learned a lot from this exercise, and you can check your again answers here by looking at this exercise, and you can tell me that how many of your sentences are correct and how many of your sentences are incorrect.